Natural beauty has endowed the state of Odisha with rivers, waterfalls and forest mountains. The breathtaking views of this beauty makes you believe that nature has bestowed all its elegance only here. The 19th sanctuaries across the state add to the beauty of Odisha. These sanctuaries play a crucial role in environmental security. Following this pivotal role, the Karlapat Sanctuary in Kalahandi district upheld its responsibilities. Karlapat Sanctuary, named after the Karlapat village, is about 450 kilometers from the state capital Bhubaneswar and 12 kilometers from Bhabanipatna. Spread over 175.5 square kilometers, Karlapat was recognized as a sanctuary in 1992. This sanctuary with forests and mountains has turned into a habitat for several wild animals. Karlapat is famous for its elephants. There is presence of around 31 elephants within the sanctuary. Apart from elephants, other animals like leopard, chital, sambar, barking deer, wild pig, common langur, great langur and jackal are also found here. Similarly, the reptiles found here include common lizard, Russell viper, king cobra, common cobra, krait, Indian python and checkered keel black to name a few. Birds of different species such as Indian peafowl, black-headed oriole, Indian grey hornbill, green pigeon, imperial pigeon, spotted dove, sunbird and brownfish owl have also been spotted here at regular intervals. Trees such as sal, sisu, bamboo, jamu, mango and arjun are found in Karlapat in huge numbers. Watchtowers have been constructed at Furli Jharan, Jakam, Gusarigudi and in between the forests to keep a close watch on the activities of the animals. Check gates have also been built at Sagadok, Jokasaipatna and Karlapat to monitor the vehicles moving on the sanctuary roads. Apart from this, the staff of the Forest Department carry out regular patrolling and remain vigilant round the clock to provide security to the forests. The river flowing in the foothills of the sanctuary majorly looks after the water requirements of the animals and birds residing here. Besides this, waterfalls in the sanctuary also contribute to the water requirements. The major attraction of the sanctuary is the Furli Jharan waterfall, which falls from a height of 30 meters and provides a pleasant treat to the eyes of the tourists. Interestingly, the residential youth have voluntarily come forward to help the tourists as guides and keep the waterfall clean and safe, which has ultimately set an example for others. The sanctuary has a beautiful waterfall at Otija, where otters are found from time to time. Another beautiful waterfall is found at Gusarigudi, which has remained unexplored by the tourists due to lack of transportation. Allured by its beauty, numerous tourists visit Karlapat Sanctuary, especially from July to January. Kalahandi's renowned temple of goddess Manikeshwari is situated near the sanctuary. Moreover, the old palace of the king of Kalahandi is another attraction for tourists in this area. The Karlapa sanctuary, full of deciduous forests and mountains, still stands high for its beauty. However, this has been a reality due to the combined efforts of the staff of the Forest Department and the residential population. No doubt, the Karlapat sanctuary has made its presence felt in the map of Odisha.